Welcome back, guys. So is there a major retest for Apple coming up? Let's see what the weekly chart is telling us. First thing we can see is that this was a bull flag and now we are seeing a breakout of this bull flag, which is actually a bullish thing. But where will be the retest? For this we have to look towards the left side and you can see this area here is an important retest that can happen. So if I want to mark this up, this is roughly 175 till 183. This area can get retested at least in the short term. Also, one of the reason is look at the high RSI that we are having on the weekly. We reached around 79 RSI and then we are taking a turn towards the downside from here. Look at what happened in the past from high RSI. There was a drop here, small drop here, then again a drop here. So yes, there are drops from high RSI and this is something we can expect to happen. But yes, overall you can see very nice upward action. So now let's quickly draw up the fib levels from the recent lows to the recent highs and look at this 0.236 level sitting at $177. Now let me zoom in and show you there is something very important, which is the 0.5 level sitting at 159. This is known as the gold zone. Now why is this important? Let me show you. So something of this sort can also happen. 160, 159, a retest of the top part of the channel from where we had a breakout. This is actually possible. This would represent a drop of roughly 14-15%. So this is one of the scenarios that is of course possible, but it is an extreme scenario for now. First retest would be of this range 175, 180, and you can see there's a small peak in volume available at 173. The another peak of volume is available at around 145, 150. So yes, some retest at least of this area is possible in the short term. But this is the weekly chart. Now let's quickly jump into the daily chart and see what is happening. So we can see a very strong upward trend and we are coming to the bottom part of this trend, trying to retest this. But if you just focus on this part over here, look at what is happening. Higher high and the RSI is giving a lower low. So this is a bearish divergence actually that has started to form, which might indicate that on the daily we might see a small push back up before we are heading back down. Something of this sort is possible where we break down from here, come back to test the trend line and then continue downwards towards the range we were talking about. Once again, I want to tell you that these sort of retests are not bearish. Actually, these are good retests that continue the trend upwards, maybe towards 200 area. So yes, these sort of retests are good for the market actually. Also 3rd August will be the financial result for Apple, so quite possible till that time we see a small decline and then try to bounce from there if the results are good. Of course, the ultimate target will be the $200 psychological level. So let's quickly jump into the 4-hour also and see if we are able to spot something over here. Once again, we can see the same thing. Price is making a higher low and the RSI is in the opposite direction. So bullish divergence has been found again. So yeah, it is possible at least in the short term that there might be a bounce from this trend line. However, my area of interest would be this one over here, which I mentioned, 175, $180, and after that I would wait for 160, $158, which would be the retest of this trend line. Also, do let us know in the comments what is your plan regarding Apple. Are you going long or you are doing short now? Once again, would like to remind everyone that we have started a free Telegram group. You can join from the link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Gentle reminder, markets are extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.